Now on metric bikes, you have to check the oil with the bike standing straight up and down. If you have a center stand, this is great. And if not, you might have a friend hold it for you. Or sometimes I'll just lean the bike up against my hip a little bit and then, lean down and check the oil. If you have a dipstick, in order to check your oil, you're going to have to remove this. And a lot of times this is going to be on the side of your motorcycle, usually somewhere in here on this Honda, to the back of this cover. It's also identifiable. Sometimes it says oil. This one actually has the weight of the oil on it. Now, before you remove this, take a rag, clean the crud off of this thing. Because you don't want any dirt falling down in there. You shouldn't have used your good clean rag, because now you have to go get another one to check your oil with. Now that you have a clean rag, you can lefty-loosey this sucker on out of here. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to wipe it off. Because as you move the bike around, oil will slosh in there. So you could have an inaccurate reading. It could show too high. So you're going to thread this back in, all the way down back in until it stops. Don't torque it, just snug it up. And back it up on out of there. And you're going to take it, you're going to hold it up to the light. Hopefully you can see this. There's two marks right here. There's a low mark and a high mark. Sometimes there's like a little knurled finish in here. You can see the oil is about 3/4 of the way up, because it's sitting in there like this. So it's about 3/4 of the way up. That means, and wipe that off, that means it's about 3/4 of the way full. 3/4 of the way to the full mark. It doesn't mean the bike is 3/4 of the way full. It means anywhere in this range is considered good. So since we're sitting towards that top mark, we know we're sitting in really good shape for our oil level. So then we can just reinstall this back into place. Tighten it up. You don't want to kill it, but you also don't want it to vibrate loose. So give it a good twist. Remember, you're the one taking it off next. But also remember, you don't want it vibrating off and getting oil all over your leg while you're riding.